In 2008, the home builders were the first to know that a housing crisis was coming, and the hammers stopped swinging. But housing may finally be digging itself out of a 5-year hole.
We see that a true bottom has been reached.
Housing and other housing-related industries are pulling the economy forward.
The housing market is hit the bottom and is recovering.
The key word being bottom, a point from which to build, and the home builders don't need to be asked twice. The National Association of Home Builders expects around 125,000 more single-family homes built in 2013 over 2012.
One single-family home creates 3 additional jobs and about $90,000 in tax revenues.
TD Security says construction jobs will double their growth this year, climbing by about 20,000 payrolls a month. Just in time for construction's busiest season, Home Depot plans to hire more than 80,000 temporary workers, about 14% more than a year ago. Lowe's is also hiring, adding 45,000 seasonal workers, 13% more than a year earlier.